So hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Tea Tuesday. So this Tuesday, of course, as always, we got the advisories, we got the promo codes, and we have some of the latest snippets of travel news. It's not all inclusive, but listen, we got some tea for you, and hopefully it's going to help you, your clients, and your travel business. So the tea of today is my amazing matcha green tea. I love it. What tea are you guys drinking? Go ahead and put that in the comments. So let me go ahead and take my sip. Okay. And let's keep on going, all right? So you guys already know that I love to mention what happened in history today. And y'all, look, do y'all know that today in history, 1931, Nevada legalized gambling. So there you go. It's been going on for a very long time. And y'all, this is where we're heading at, y'all. We are heading towards Nevada. So, yeah, there we go. Vegas, baby, Vegas. All right, so let's keep on going. Let's talk about is there any travel advisories, okay? So there is one travel advisory for Moldova, right? And so that is level 2, exercise in caution. So if you got any clients that's going there, they probably will have some questions about that. So let's take a deeper look into that. And let's hop on over into some travel news. So I found some news about, and your clients probably will have questions about this. They booked on United Airlines, okay? I don't know what's going on with this. All right. So United Airlines has had different issues going on within the past 2 weeks. I don't know. This is so ghetto. Going on within the past 2 weeks with their flights. One of them was saying that a piece of plastic caught on fire in the engine. A tire literally popped off, and airplane veered off the runway or something like that. But the list goes on and on. So it's not been a really great week for United Airlines. But I will say that United Airlines has they answer back, and if you have clients that are going on United Airlines, just read over this so that you can have a better understanding of it. So when clients come asking questions, you do have you are well informed as to what's exactly going on. But yeah, I hope United really gets that part of it together. So let's hop into some travel news, okay? And I didn't find much travel news, all right, but I found some stuff, okay? And so I was running over this, and let's see, it was for Royal Caribbean. So Royal Caribbean is suspending stops in Labadee, Haiti. Come on. Yeah, they're suspending stops that are in Labadee, Haiti, due to, the things that's going on over there in Haiti. So if you guys have any clients that are booked on any of the Royal Caribbean itineraries that have Labadee on it, then, I'm pretty sure they sent, some kind of memo or something like that. But, you may have clients that wanted to go and maybe, want to switch, for whatever reason. But be on the lookout for that, okay? And then if you guys have any clients that are going over to Mexico, there are some flights and stuff that have been canceled because of, volcanoes, smoky ash, and stuff like that. So be on a lookout for that still. That's still going on, all right? So, and then I found the post that was giving the kind of sort of like the best voted airports. And I found that this pretty interesting. So they got a South Carolina airport, a Michigan airport, Rome, Italy airport, Casablanca in Morocco airport, this airport here in Turkey, and this airport in Ecuador, an airport in Oman, and then 2 Indonesian airports. And so these were rated based on their cleanliness and staff dedication to easy transport, okay, and enjoyment. So I thought that was pretty cool, okay? So let's hop into these travel emails, you guys. I do not have all the travel emails. These are just some of the emails that I do get throughout the week. And I saw that they, see that they're important and, maybe, some travel agent out there wants to hear about, these deals or these current promotions. And so all suppliers do not, email me the same time on the same week. So each week it's different suppliers. And so I really try not to repeat, the suppliers that's coming up, but a lot of times they have like multiple deals. And so I'm like forced to like, okay, let me, let me share this. All right. So I'm over here with Norwegian. Let's see, they got some things going on with Norwegian Joy. All right. So then I also got some featured resources. So hop into your Norwegian portal. And then over here, some of their current promotions. So clients can enjoy a free second guest, have a cruise first promotion. We can offer your client an extra $150. And of course, military appreciation. And then they have cruise up. Cruise up is cruise up is has ended. And then you can earn extra latitude points. They can earn extra latitude points for the first and second guests who are latitude members. Okay, so that's Norwegian Cruise Line. So check them out. All right, let's keep this going. All right, so Royal Caribbean, they're having the $600 off, 60% off second guest, kids so free. Right, and then they got a 48-hour sale going on. Well, sorry, these are just the main sales right here. All right, so that one, let's keep on going. All right, so we got, and I purposely did not put all these cruise lines together. I just send these emails over. All right, so we have Celebrity Cruises. So their current promotions, they're having a semi-annual sale, so up to 75% off the second guest. Double celebrity rewards, and then news, premium access, to curated experiences and upgrades on board. And then let's see. All right, we're gonna see some new trainings that's coming up. Riu. So they have a Riu in Chicago that is coming soon. So you guys be on the lookout for that Riu Plaza in Chicago. Okay, so it's opening this summer. And so these are some of the highlights. Sky Bar, walking distance from Magnificent Mile Shopping District, some Streeterville, Culture, Commercial Precinct, and then breakfast is included. Okay, go ahead, Riu, go ahead. I know they got one in New York. Go ahead, Riu. I love it. All right. So here are some more March Madness incentives for Celebrity. Book any 2024 and 2025 cruises and receive your choice of $100 onboard credit or $100 commission bonus. Commission bonus me, please, the extra $100. All right. All stateroom categories, and that's $100 per stateroom. Booking window is March 16th through the 31st. And then, check your email, and then, it says redeem there. You guys see the email. All right. So I love that. Thank you, Celebrity. Agents love their extra commission, and I do too. I got this email from Noreen Forbes Safari, and I thought that it was pretty cool. So check out them. These suppliers are usually sent over by our consortium, ensemble. So check them out, okay? Let's see. All right, so Disney Cruise Line is offering worldwide adventures to Europe, Alaska, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean in summer 2025. So all you Disney travel agents out there, listen, be on the lookout, okay? And so bookings are going to be open to the public on March 22nd, and clients that are Disney Cruise Line Castaway members and select other affinity groups may take advantage of this early. So Pearl Castaway members found out about this yesterday. Platinum Castaway members Platinum Castaway members, Golden Oak, and Club 33 members are going to be finding out on March 19th. Gold Castaway members are going to be finding out Wednesday, March 20th. Silver Castaway members are going to be finding out about it Silver Cast members, Vacation Club, and Adventure Insiders are going to be found out on March 21st. And then bookings open to all guests are going to be open March the 22nd for March 22nd, 2024. Okay, so guys know it first. Okay. All right. So I got an email from Caesars. I have a lot of property updates that are coming. All right, and that's at Harrah's. All right. Carnival Conversations. They're bringing this back, you guys. So Port Canaveral, April the 10th. They're going to have Carnival Conversations. It's going to be from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern, and then Port Canaveral Terminal 3. Okay, and so you have to RSV no later than Friday, March the 29th. So if you guys want to attend, reach out to your BDM, and they will get you in there. Okay. Carnival Conversations. All right. Casa de Campo. So I got an email about what's included, benefits of booking direct with Casa de Campo. So, of course, you unlock exclusive perks of up to $500 to $695 per night by booking your villa directly at Casa de Campo. So I love Casa de Campo, okay? You get preferred rates and covered resort fees, preferential access to restaurants and activities, 24-hour service and VIP amenities, complimentary golf carts and airport transfers, and dedicated assistance prior and during your stay. Okay, daily breakfast prepared and served in your villa. Yes, I can vouch for all of this. Yep, it's been a while since we've been there, but yeah, absolutely love Casa de Campo. All right, and so I got some news from Viking. They're going to be having a new ship. Okay. Oh, I lied. I'm sorry. I didn't read it. They're celebrating the New Year, New Chinese New Year. New Chinese Lunar New Year. Let's see. And then, of course, they're offering some incentives. So book select China voyages and earn an extra $100 on Viking Rewards Visa card for every booking you make. So, book with Viking and getting a $100 Visa gift card, y'all. Check them out. Check them out. All right. So Aquatica over here, okay? Aquatica is having a spring break sale and up to 50%. Save up to 50%. Okay? So that offer is going to end March 24th. Rail Bookers has a sale going on up to $600 off. They also have an upcoming webinar on March 27th, okay? That's going to be held at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern, and it's going to be on Italy by rail with Rail Bookers, okay? Then they have some other offers over here, up to $400 off per couple. For Switzerland, say $150 per couple. Denali and other national parks as well as Alaska, say $150 per couple. So take a peek at that. SeaWorld is having tickets for only $60. Y'all, this is good, okay? $60 at SeaWorld. Y'all jump on this, put some packages together for this, but this offer is going to be through March the 24th, okay? And so that is for their 60th anniversary sale. And then MSC is having a flash sale, okay? All right, so they got 7-night plus cruises from $299. Right? This $299 one is leaving New York. Of course, it's not including taxes and fees and stuff. And they have one for $339 that's leaving out of Orlando. All right, so Uniworld. Uniworld is having a new ship, so this is what I meant. I knew it was one coming up. Uniworld has a new ship that's coming up. It's called SS Victoria. So if you guys are into river cruises, this baby is about to come out, okay? SS Victoria. All right, I found a promo code for ITA Airways. Okay, so 30% off all to any destination purchased from oh man, this is expired. Dang, maybe they extended it. I got to look into it. But try it, you guys. So up to 30% off destinations. Try promo code SUPER. Oh man. I got an email from African Travel. Sorry, Beyond Safari. What's it, Beyond? Yeah, Beyond Safari. Sorry, for African Travel. Okay, so check them out. These are directly from Ensemble. I love it. All right, got an email from Disneyland Resort saying that there's new marketing material that's available. Okay, so you log into Disney, and I believe it's a button that says Marketing Resources. Click there. So, Disney pictures, just Disney things to share. All right, so another update from Disney. So H2O Glow after hours as returning to Typhoon Lagoon, and starting May the 25th. They're giving a foodie guide. Okay, so maybe you guys can even use that foodie guide as a foodie guide to Easter treats in 2024. If you guys can, see if you could use that foodie guide as like a freebie or something like that. All right, so St. Regis is having a promo, third or fourth night on us. So I like that. Thank you, St. Regis. And then some special amenity benefits. Of course, 10% commissionable, includes a welcome amenity of $100 resort credit, early check-in if available, late checkout if available, St. Regis butler service, complimentary roll away. The additional amenities for villas, airport transfers, and private chefs. Okay, I like that, St. Regis. Thank you. All right, and so if you guys don't know about Qatar and stopovers, depending on what airline you are flying, specifically, I guess Qatar Airways, look into their stopover program. They have an amazing stopover program, and so this was just, telling you, about the different hotels, that, could be available. So take a peek at their stopover program. All right, and so Abercrombie and Kent, sell 3, sell free. I like that. Plus, earn up to $2,500 gift card per booking. Okay, and so the promo code that you're going to be using for that deal is going to be S as in Sam, 3, S as in Sam, F as in Frank, 2024. Okay, so last chance, book three staterooms by March 31st on any 2024 luxury expedition cruise and earn a free voyage of your choice on eligible cruises. Plus, earn a $2,500 gift card for all bookings on the North Pole expedition and a $1,000 gift cards on other 2024 luxury expeditions. So there you go. Got Abercrombie and Kent trying to give us some extra money. Okay, so this is luxury. Okay, I have Greece over here, 10 days, almost 13,000. Let's see, Italy, 15,000. Arctic over here, 20,000. So this is for your luxury clients. Okay. So that is it for Travel Tea Tuesday, you guys. That is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tea for today. And I have a travel joke. I know last week I forgot my travel joke, but listen, my travel funny news travel joke. But I got a travel joke today, okay? So what travels around the world but stays in one corner? Think about it. Think about it. It's a stamp, y'all. It's a stamp, okay? So I thought that was pretty funny. So I don't have anything else for you guys. I really hope that you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Travel Tea Tuesday. Talk to you soon.